Surf
Rank spamming me in TT to come right.
Yeah,
here.
heals.
Mon JP sir.
Yo,
Espera
kill
uma
this
revisar
one.
Kills Bama. No,
Uprising bomb squad northwest of Surfy.
Back. Yo, Surfy, watch out, you're gonna get flanked by Uprising. Heals right now. Locus. Drop heals right now. Don't let boys die. Don't let our boys die. Okay, counter these now. Counter the choke. Usually start choke. Kill them all on the choke. Any back. We're farming them right now. Any back. Yeah. Kill the shotgun. The shotgun's almost dead. Any back. Get off loot.
Gotta loot.
Stop staying on loot. Back. Get up. Walk west, walk southwest, okay? Walk south, spread. Walk south here, okay? Pop your foods OC. Walk southeast. We're gonna pop us from southeast in 5. Southeast 4. 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Pop us from southeast. Go to that choke. Southeast, okay? Listen, tanks hold my northeast. We're good, okay? So, yo, listen, so far, coming to you on your side.
The north of it looks pretty ugly, man.
Yeah, listen, so far at Mila, you guys wiped or?
Stomp is stepping out.
I'm coming to you. Yeah, come on. That's fine. Yeah, Surfire, you get Surfire. Yeah, back up side. Surfire, back. Yeah, Surfire, are you fighting?
You can engage northeast.
Watch
It's
the
all
choke,
Stomp
watch the choke.
northeast of you here.
Oh, okay.
Some Stomp here coming
Yeah, come south.
to.
Come south. Heals. Yeah, radiate flight from the southwest. Yeah, walk southwest. Okay, come southwest.
They're engaging.
Yeah. Milton's obsessed with us, bro. Milton's gonna come past you. Everyone pop your foods, OC. Yeah, just come southwest. Walk south. We're gonna kill Milton here. Listen, just walk southwest, okay? Listen, let's just raid Milton. They're fucking obsessed with you. Look, see that? Like, are they going across the choke? Are they going across the choke, or are they trying to fight? Yeah, listen. I need one scout to be mounted. Jimmy, be mounted. Scouting Milton, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna engage northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage us on his spikes. They have no range. Kill these kids in size. Yo, kill these kids in size. Kill everyone in here. Kill Eric Walder. Kill Eric Walder, okay? Kill Eric Walder north here. Yeah, back. Go east. We're going east right now. Go east. Go east. Este, east. Come east. Tanks to my west. Southwest. Yeah,
Southwest.
We're good. Just come east. We're good. We're just raped Sanctum right there. Just come south this, okay? Listen, wrap around this lake. Wrap around this lake.
They look for engage.
3, 2, engage west. Yeah, listen, I'm fighting Gorge right now. Yeah, I'm fighting Milton. I'm wiping Milton. Yo, come us. Yeah, come southwest. Just run over Milton over, okay? Just run over Milton. Yeah, heals. Keep walking west. Get back of beast. You're back in beast. Defense right now. Heals right now. Yes. Yeah, listen, I'm getting full sanction. I don't need push east. Yeah, rest us. We need push through east. Yeah, heals. We need push through east in 5, 4, east 3, 2, 1. Pops to east. Pops to east on Sanctum right now. East on Sanctum. Come south. Go south, actually. Go south. Don't chase. Go south. South. Southeast to the choke. Southeast to the choke on my ping. Okay? Yeah. Southeast on my ping. Yeah, do we lose someone left lane? Yeah, come southeast.
They're engaging on us?
No, we're good. Just heals on north. We're good. Yeah, Balma's healing. Help us peel, okay? Help us peel. Yeah,
Milton is your west.
That's what I said. Just come east. We're east of terror. Just come southeast to the show, okay? To the back, you pop us sprint to catch me. We're good. We're home free.
Yeah.
Mila, are you fighting? Alright, listen. I'm gonna mount. We're good. Yeah, listen, surf mount. Are we getting chased? Engage towards bitch.
Careful south.
Yeah,
okay?
they're
Yeah.
They're looking south.
Yeah.
They're coming.
Come north to cross bridge. No. Come across the bridge. Okay? Watch out. Heals. Keep pushing through.
They're bombing.
It's fine. Keep pushing through.
Watch out, flank down.
Yeah, it's fine. Just keep pushing west. It's fine. We're good. So far, Mila, I need you guys fighting right now. Okay? Yeah. Keep coming north. Keep. I got you. Yeah, come north. Okay? We're gonna pop to north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pop. Yeah, heals.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I need help on static. Mila, I need help on static. On the static. Mila, I need help on the static right now, bro. Yeah, pull back.
They're engaging.
Yeah, heals. Mila, I need help on the static truck right now. We're gonna engage south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage south. Kill everyone static truck. Yeah, you just wipe him from behind. Yeah, wipe him from behind. I kill the shot caller, I'm killing the shot callers. They're all dying.
Pulling up, they're pulling
They're
up.
pulling back. They're pulling back.
Seal. Don't die that glacial. Don't die glacial. Kills taking sides on the western. Kills take. Yeah, Naked, where are you, bro? Naked, where are you?
They're at
Yeah.
like
Yeah, come to stack. Flaska, come inside. I'm gonna leave the stack northwest. Yeah, so coming at us. You have the bridge up. Yeah, come on. Come on. South right now, okay? Yeah, I'm coming. I'm with you. Yeah, so far go south. Okay, they're
No,
gonna run.
enemies
This
are
one.
here. Enemies are here.
This one. Yeah, so far go to the west side of the block. Get naked. We push south right now. Okay, we're gonna push south in 5, 4, 3, 2, push east south. Catch everyone to the leave behind. Catch everyone to the leave behind on the east side. East. Kill them eastern, boys. Kill them all eastern, northeast. Wipe them all northeast. Wipe all northeast and back south. Any back south, boys. Any back south.
No, they're all kiting. They're kiting down. They're kiting.
Yeah, okay, Mata.
They're past the bridge
Yeah,
here.
listen, Flaska, they're kiting. Okay, I'm gonna flank them, okay? Yeah, Flaska, we're flanking from the east side, okay? Yeah,
Order
Yeah.
the Lotus looking at you now. Order the
come
Eric Waldo's on pink.
southeast, we're good, just come
Sang
southeast.
dies flanking
Flaska,
west.
we go southeast, okay? Yeah, come southeast, across the bridge. I'm gonna flank from the east side of the block, okay? Okay? Just come southeast, okay? We're good. Just come
Eric
across the bridge.
Waldo's south of this.
Yeah, it's fast, just come south. Flaska, just come south. Yeah, Flaska, just come south. I'm coming to you. Yeah, come on,
He's not listening. What the fuck?
Yeah, Naked, you need to listen to me, bro. Yeah, we're gonna get northwest in 5,
Yeah, they're coming,
4,
they're behind
3,
me.
2, 1. You pop shit, baby. Pop shit, on the bridge, baby. It's huge on the bridge. They don't know we're here. Oh my god. Yo, Flaska, push on your side. Wipe them on my side. Yo, kill them on this side. Flaska, you push on your side, bro. I'm raping them on the side. You come on the bridge, boys. Yo, Q's the woods, everyone on the bridge. Yo, kill Eric Waldo. Yo, keep coming at us. Keep coming at us. That's fine. We're gonna get northwest in 5. Alright. Yeah, where's that enemy?
Northeast.
Hey, come back south. Where are they? Come back south. Look south. Where are they?
Here,
No,
here,
watch
here.
the southeast. Militant southeast.
Look southeast. We're gonna get southeast in 5, 4,
Here,
3,
ping.
2, 1. Yeah, pop sprint southeast. Papa sprint southeast, okay? Yeah, Flaska, we're pushing east. We push east on Milton. Flaska, beat this one. Push east on Milton. Yo, kill Milton to east. Rape Milton. Flaska, just rape Milton to east. Just run into them. Flaska, run into them. Okay, spread. They're gonna get you. Spread. No, they're broken. Kill them eastern. Okay? Spread. They're gonna get spread. Heals trying to rest spots. Even full. Rest boys. Don't die, okay? Keep pushing east first. Keep pushing east. Run them over east. They have 10 guys. Run them over east. We're pop east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit them east, boys. Hit them east. Throw your camels. Just rape them east. Just push east, bro. Push east. I don't know how you guys are dying, bro. Keep pushing east. Throw heals for our boys. Keep pushing east. Yeah, I'm coming to you so far. Listen, I'm wiping Milton. I'm gonna come help you. But keep pushing northeast for sure. They're gonna turn. Okay, just keep raping them northeast. We die very fast. Just keep raping them northeast. Okay, we're gonna pop northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, cash remnants. Pop northeast, cash them. Don't let them run. You don't let them run, boys. Don't let them run northeast. You CC them fucking down, baby. Kill them all here. Kill them all northeast here. Kill them all northeast. All the way, boys. All the way. Don't let them zone. Don't let them zone. Just kill them all in the gate. Kill them all. Send them home, okay? Yeah, listen, now we go northwest. Yeah, listen, where are they? Where's Stomp?